Hey Dan! If we get 1,000 subs, can I do a shed burnout in my Skyline?
Why are you doing your own fucking car?
In my Skyline!
Oh, your Skyline?
Yeah, I just need your shed. Just give us a thumbs up.
Beauty.
You heard it here first. Alright, so we're about to start tuning, but we've found the gate. It's hitting about 20...
Well, I've got the boost cut at 22, so it's just whatever the turbo makes.
Yeah, so it's just... Well, turbo makes good boost.
Fuck, yeah, 3.5 grand.
Yeah, so we're just going to pull the gate off his Hilux. And this is his Hilux. Have a look at this. James gets bored, and this is what happens. Little twin gate set up, so I'm going to steal one of them. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're on our first dyno pull. Like I said, he backed off because he started to lean out. Go. Clarky's just come to me and said, look, this is what you're getting, this is how it is. So I was like, oh yeah, give us a power run, show us what it feels like. So he's going to give us a little go. Yep. That sounds fucking awesome! Tuning and shit, hit up Clarky. Make sure your car's good though, because he gets annoyed when your wastegate falls off and stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to get this out, tidy up the rest of it so it's good for the street, and go for a drive. Fucking yow! So we went for a drive and we're like, ba ba bum ba ba ba, and then we got to 4th and it just this came flying. Yeah.
Came out the headlight hole, just fucking.
Yeah, basically ran out of boost, so we're just fixing it and then going back.
Take 2.
Yo, what's going on? So I'm just editing up this video and all the footage from like the end of the day where I went like what happened after what you've just seen, kind of got deleted by accident when my computer crashed last night. So basically what happened is I left so basically what happened is I left the tuners, left JW, and then cruised down, got all my stuff from McKinley's, chucked in the car, and I reckon I left McKinley's at about 11 at night, drove across the state up to Devonport, and then went to Chingy's. So I got in at about 2 o'clock, got 3 hours sleep, woke up in the morning and went and had breakfast with the whole DCA crew and stuff. So
Ling ling out.
Ling ling out.
I'm on the mission. I'm on the mission.